Hello everyone, today I'm so happy to show you an easy way to convert HEIC images to JPG files. As you can see from here, the image from 1 to 12 are not previewable or viewable because you can see they are actually all are HEIC images which are not supported by Windows operating system yet. Before we carry on, if you found this video to be helpful after watching it, please give me a like and subscribe to our channel Bitwar Soft to learn more about other computer tips from our channel. So the first step is to go to Google and type Bitwar HEIC Converter. After searching it, click on the first search result, which is Bitwar HEIC Converter, and then it will bring you to the Bitwar Soft official website. Please select Bitwar HEIC Converters for your Windows or Mac operating system. Simply click the download button and start the installation. So after the installation is complete, double click the icon to launch the software. Let's take a look at the software interface inside. It's so clean and straightforward, which requires only a few mouse clicks to finish all the conversion job. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Add all the wanted HEIC files into the software. So for me, you can either drag or click all the images into the software. Like I will drag all of my HEIC images from 1 to 12 into the software, so it can save up more time for you and for me. You also can select which HEIC file you want to convert to by checking the box beside each of the file, or click select all directly to choose all the HEIC files for conversion. Moreover, you also can click the delete button to remove the selected HEIC files from the software. Next, you can choose the desired image format that you want to convert to. The software provides or supports a lot of images support for you, which is JPG, BMP, PNG, and WEBP. The software allows you to resize the image from 10% to 100%. and set the image quality from 10% to 100%. However, for my opinion, leave the quality section at 100% for a better image experience. Lastly, remember to check the Keep Active Info feature to retain the original photo metadata. After you have set all the required settings, click on the Convert button and just wait for a while for the conversion to complete. The conversion times depends on the amount of HEIC files that you will need to convert. So wait patiently, and when the conversion is complete, the software will open the output folder automatically for you to preview all the new converted images in it. From here, we can see that Bitwar HEIC Converters has outputted all the converted files into the new source folder. All the new converted images had the thumbnails generated. All you need to do is right-click on the image and select properties. You can check that all the converted images are already in JPG images, or depends on the other image format that you have chosen for the conversion. Double-click to open and preview each of the image quality. You can check through all the new images slowly by slowly and make sure that all the images are in the new and beautiful image quality. Besides, if you are really in a hurry to convert the HEIC images, you can go to the video description below and click the link provided to download the software. Moreover, leave a comment below, because we will give you a 180 days activation code to your registration account. All you need to do is just leave your registration account below and we will add the license directly to your account. Besides, you can preview the new JPG files by clicking the image icon here in the software. So, if any of your friends who are having the troubles while viewing the HEIC images, please share this video to help them out. I really hope you have a good time with me and learn a lot about HEIC files here in this video. Stay safe and see you next time. Goodbye.